How to print a percentage value in Python. This is my code. And it shows. But I want to get 33%. What can I do?
Since Python 3.0, str.format and format support a percentage presentation type. Percentage multiplies the number by 100 and displays in fixed F format, followed by a percent sign. The .0 part of the format spec .0% indicates that you want 0 digits of precision after the decimal point, because with F, 1/3 column percent, you would get the string 33.333,333%. It works with integers, floats, and decimals. CPEP 3101.
You are dividing integers, then converting to float. Divide by floats instead. As a bonus, use the awesome string formatting methods described here, this URL, to specify a percent conversion and precision. A great gem.
Just for the sake of completeness, since I noticed no one suggested this simple approach. Details. %.0f stands for print a float with 0 decimal places, so %.2f would print 33.1933. % prints a literal percent. A bit cleaner than your original plus %. 1.0 instead of 1 takes care of coercing the division to float, so no more 0.2000.
There is a way more convenient percent formatting option for the .format method.
How to